Okay, here's a video on how to change this light and put in this Wemo dimmer. That's what we're going to do right now. So we'll take off the cover on the other one and get going. Okay, here's what's inside. Open it up, pull it out. Okay, here's what comes inside that packaging. This is a Wemo dimmer. We have these already installed in some other places over here. Just some normal lights. That one's a dimmer that we have. So I've already done that one. So we're gonna go ahead and show you how to open the other one up and put it in. All right, so I pulled everything out of this box. Just so you know, this one's going down. So this one's the load and this one's the line coming in, right? This was the bottom and this was the top here. This is the top and this was the bottom. Here's our ground. Did find our neutral. These are our white wires. So we're gonna go ahead and connect our new dimmer, right? So here's our neutral, and then they're all labeled for everything else, as we mentioned before, line and load. So the load was coming in from the top, the line going down to the bottom, and then the neutral is the white, and then the green is going to go on the ground. Just go ahead and hook all those up, turn the power back on and see if that worked. All right, we got it all hooked up, put it back in, turn the power back on, and let's see. New. We're not getting any power. All right, you can see that there's power running to it, and you can just kind of, I think you can run up your hand there. There you go, finger up to kind of get the dimmer to go all the way up. There are our lights. So first of all, I want to say I'm not an electrician, and I actually had to switch the line and the load because they were not giving power. So something went wrong there. Anyway, so I did that, plugged it all back together, and there we go. Now we're just gonna go ahead and pair it with our home pairing system, our Google Assistant, and it'll work. And I'll come back and see if we can get it to work off a voice command. All right, so we got it hooked up. So you got to do the rest through the app. So go to your Wemo app, and it'll show you how to connect to your Wi-Fi, and then you can name it. So we've named it, and so we're gonna see if it's working with Google Assistant. Hey Google, turn off the family room lights. Let's see if it works. Okay. Whoa, sure did. Hey Google, turn on the family room lights. Maybe it didn't hear me. Hey Google, turn on the family room lights. Wow.
Sure, turning 2 lights on.
There we go. It's not 2 lights, it's just 1, but still, it'll work. And so yeah, there you go. If you have any questions, as always, comment down below, and please subscribe and click the notifications so for you see new videos like this. I'll have much more on the way. Thanks.